Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin immediately by choosing a stage that houses a metal cap or a metal switch room. Don't waste time. Once in, move straight to the area with the metal box or pressure switch. These spawn the metal cap for a short duration. Make sure you have full health and clear nearby enemies first, because the metal state increases weight and reduces jump height. As soon as the cap appears, plan your route. You need to grab it and reach your objective before the timer runs out. Once the metal cap is active, grab it without hesitation because the effect is temporary. You should use the metal physics to your advantage. Your momentum carries more, ground pounds are stronger, and you sink in water, so plan traversal accordingly. If you need to cross fragile platforms or press heavy switches, do those first. Make sure to chain moves. Ground pound, then jump to a ledge or roll into a switch. Keep an eye on the visual timer or cap animation so you don't run out mid-action. Finish the required objective, push the heavy switch, sink to a pressure plate, or reach the coin area while Metal Mario is active. Once done, remove the cap if the objective requires normal physics, otherwise exit the room. If the cap expires too soon, don't panic. Go back, clear hazards, and re-trigger the switch or box. The spawn will reset. If you still fail, reload the course or re-enter the room to reset collision and enemy positions. Then repeat the grab with a tighter plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.